growth. When is it the right time to grow? And what I mean is, do I take on a unit? Do I move into a bigger unit? Do I just increase my expenditure? Okay, I'm not going to go into the whole staff thing. That's a different conversation. This is based on the fact that I've just got off the phone with one of our guys in the Growth Club. He's got an opportunity to pretty much double in size, double in rent a unit. He does a lot of kitchens, okay? But he's like, I don't know if it's right for me. Am I over leveraging myself? It feels risky. Okay, risk is based on the unknown. So why don't we actually look at the numbers and see if it stacks up and then remove the risk? Well, that's kind of the conversation that we had. And he was already coming to that himself. He'd already figured out that he was going to do it. But I think the conversation kind of cemented it, but also gave him a bit of a plan so that he can actually go at it. Right, the simple thing is, let's say the rent went up £400 a month. So he's got to find an extra 400 quid. So now I've got to bring in an extra kitchen to cover that cost. Now you don't. All you've got to do is put your prices up. So look, if he does 4 kitchens a month, I reckon his average kitchen is, let's say, 1,800 quid, £2,000 on average. So if you were to put your kitchens up £100 on a £2,000 kitchen, in our experience, all right, you ain't going to lose it. You're not going to lose a £2,000 kitchen for putting it up by £100. You're not. You might have a conversation, but you'll still win the job. So that is 4 kitchens, 400 quid, job done. All right, so that's it. We've covered the cost. But now every other kitchen he does do on top of the 4, because he's gonna take on more into it, because he's got a bigger area, he's going to start to fill it up. It's just a natural thing, and it'll actually attract more kitchens. And what he will also do is he maybe start to bring in bigger kitchens which have a bigger price tag. So the point is, that was 5%. All right, 5% increase of £100. Well, you could try 6, 7, maybe even 10%. But every other kitchen you bring in, that 5% on additional kitchen plus 5% based on more expensive kitchens, all right, because it's a percentage number, that number just grows. It just increases. So if you're unsure about taking on a workshop, because it's not for everybody, and I don't think you should unless the numbers stack up. And if you're not sure how to make the numbers stack up, there's different ways of doing it, and we're always happy to help. All right, there's no bullshit, there's no fluff, there's just lots and lots of years of cocking it up until we've got to a stage where we got it right. And we do help a lot of people. We've got a lot of people in the Growth Club, and that in itself means that when these logic systems are used by lots of fellow sprayers, decorators, and they stack up, there's proof. All right, there's proof in the numbers. So seriously, if you're unsure and you think maybe it's time to shift it up a gear, shift it up a notch, reach out to us. We'll help in the best way we can.